Welcome everyone to our course Python programming. So I am Sobhishadu. I will be teaching you what Python is. Let's get into it. Now, for the first question that comes to your mind is what is a Python? Now, Python is a type of programming language that can be used for various tasks, such as including making apps, web developments, data analytics, machine learning, software testings. Now, what are all these terms? You're wondering what is a programming language actually? What is programming? So, computer doesn't understand English, Hindi, Bengali, or any other languages that is spoken by us. So, what does computer understand us? We are giving instructions computer. Computer understands that. But how is that possible? Because computer takes everything into zeros and ones, and when we transfer it to our own language, the programming languages such as Python, C, C++, what they tend to do is they change it into 0 and 1. Those are known as binary numbers. These are the binary numbers. Suppose if we write 0, 0 is represented as 0, 1 is represented as 1, 2 as 1 0, 3 as 1 1, 4 as 1 0 0. I will be teaching you all about that. No need to get finished right now. You will be learning about all those. So these are binary numbers. Let's take an example and check how it is done. Suppose I take a sum 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Now how will we it taken an computer? Like 3 is represented as 0 1 1, while 4 is represented as 1 0 0, and the output is 7, that is 1 1 1. So how will computer take it? The computer will take it as 0 1 1 plus 1 0 0 is equals to 1 1 1. And then interpreter language. Python uses an interpreter. What does this interpreter do? It acts as a translator, like Google Translator translates from one language to another. Like that, it translates this binary numbers, binary language to our own language, which we can read. This triple one is changed into 7 and given us as output as 7. The input is taken here. Now, let's take why Python? Why should we use Python only? Because the first thing we want to learn is Python is beginner friendly. Python has easy syntax. Like every programming language has syntax. What is the syntax? It is written using certain set of instructions. So Python is the easiest one in them. It is beginner friendly. All the beginners can learn it very easily. All the AI ML like ChatGPT and you are using AI right for various of the things all are done with the help of Python. Data science and web development is also done by Python. How? Let us see an example. Our industries, that is RCOTBA industries. This is the website. This website was created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But this website can also be created using Python, using Django module. I will be teaching you all of those as we deep dive into the course. Now, let's check it. What is intelligence? Like every AIML, the robotics part, automation, like I say, hey Google, call this number, or hey ChatGPT, can you answer me like this? There are interpreter modes while we talk to them, where they are very human-like. These are all using done with the data science and machine learning modules of Python. Hmm. Now, let's take an example. I'm opening my Visual Studio Code. I will teaching you how to install Visual Studio Code and how to handle it. As I said, Python is a programming language and it's very popular. And not only that, the person who created it, he was Guido van Rossum and he created it in the year 1991. It's very easy to access. Like if I give 3 plus 1, what should the and output should be? I'm given input 3 plus 5. Output should be 8. Let's see what does it do. As I run it, it gives me the output 8. You can see. Now, not only that, it can perform all the basic arithmetic operations like 2 into, let's suppose 99. What should the output will be? Check 198. Not only that, it can perform division like 100 divided by 20. What should it be? It will be 5. See, it's given me a point, decimal number. These are known as float values. We will go into it later on. Not only so all the basic arithmetic operations like this can be performed. It can give you an answer. It's integers like from -1 to +1. Everything will be done here. Now, this all don't get tense. We'll be going into it. And thank you for it. The next task will be installing Python in your machine.